What's up, good people? How are you today? This is Larry Jones, and welcome to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, if you are new to the page, go ahead and hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. And for those of you that are looking for trading platforms, I have links provided below. I have three companies that I work with to help you guys do some great trading. One is Coinbase for all of your crypto needs, especially your altcoins. The other one is BlockFi. I'm going to talk about them more. They have something real interesting going on. I'm going to talk about them more at the end of this video. And then the other is Webull for all of your stock trading. All right. Deposit $100 in each and you're going to get free stock and free crypto. Free. All right. Hey, let's get right into it, good people. I'm going to do some reading here because there's a lot going on with the market. Of course, I got some good news and I got some bad news. So I'm going to start out with the bad news and get that out of the way. All right. A spike in treasury yields forced the stock market to sell off today, right? There's a lot of rotation out of high multiple stock, expensive stocks, okay? And including FANG, Facebook, Apple, Netflix, Google, and just tech in general. Just had a sell-off, okay? And, generally when the yields go high, the bond yields go high, stock go low. But then here recently, that wasn't the case, and what used to be normal is not normal anymore. This whole cycle is just off. But one of the things we knew that is on, and that is September is a bad month, right? For the stock market. It just is, good people. I know somebody said, hey, Larry, what happened to the sell-off? Well, it's here. And if you really look at some of the key indicators, it's been happening all along. So you may have some individual stock that's doing okay, but the Dow has just been having these bad days. And instead of a straight drop off, it's been steady stair-stepping down. All right, good people. And so we're not surprised, right? We're prepared. Then you have these politicians, a lot of them, which I believe need to be in the senior citizen homes, not because of their age, just because of their mentality. Having said that, Elizabeth Warren, on top of that, said Chairman Powell is a danger. And, why would you say something like that right now on a day like today? Okay. Like I said, a lot of these people need to be in senior citizens homes, but I'm not going to, I'm going to leave that alone. All right. The S&P, NASDAQ are having the worst month since September 2020, right? Then the Dow is having its worst month since October 2020. I personally believe that there's going to be continued volatility in the market. I don't believe this is over with, good people. I just think that, this month is just going to continue to be a rocky month, a volatile month. And so we just have to look for the diamonds in the rough, right? So I noticed a few stock that were actually doing well despite this huge sell-off. One, which was Ford. Let's take a look at Ford here, all right? Ford and a partner company says they plan to build 3 major electric vehicle battery factories and an auto assembly plant by 2025, a dramatic investment in the future of EV technology that will create an estimated 10,800 jobs and shift the automaker's future manufacturing footprint towards the South. Look at here. Together with its battery partner, SK Innovations of South Korea, Ford says it will spend $5.6 billion in Rural Station, Tennessee, where it will build a factory to produce the electric F-Series pickup. All right. So that's a joint venture. As you know, the F-50, the pickup truck, is the best-selling vehicle in the United States. Here's another EV play that is still that did well. ChargePoint, CHPT, ChargePoint. ChargePoint still 1.76%, and then another 0.67% closing bell. And one of the reasons why I believe that they're doing well is just promises of a infrastructure bill being passed. Now, it's going to be the same thing like raising the debt. So that's another negative catalyst for the stock market, raising the debt ceiling. We kicked that can down the road. Now we have till October 18th to pass that bill. And if not, these Democrats and Republicans are going to be putting on a sideshow. It's going to be a circus. And it's all going to be for politics so they could, get reelected to their positions. That's all it is. And then we pay for it, good people. This is part of the process, right? And so it's a dog and pony show. That's all it is. So another one was Lucid Motors, right? You notice all EVs. Lucid Motors is also doing well. Lucid closed an extra 7.29%. Let me go back to ChargePoint. As you can see, ChargePoint, here we are, it's up. Sorry about that, good people. Still learning this equipment. Then Lucid went up 7.29% after the closing bell. And so let's see why that happened. I have a little video that I want to play for you guys. The CEO of Lucid Motors, that real smooth talking brother. I mean, he just talk like this, like he has a butler named Nigel. And we're just going to listen to this right quick. But I want you guys to hear this because if you're holding Lucid Motors, this is important.
Planning on this for several months, finally has had an important milestone achieved at its plant in Arizona. The company has begun production of the Lucid Air. As you take a look at shares of Lucid, obviously under pressure with a lot of the automakers and really the rest of the market today. But the important news here is that it has begun production in Arizona. Deliveries of the Lucid Air, by the way, they start late next month. Lucid Air reservations are now topping 13,000. So they now have more than 13,000 reservations for this luxury electric vehicle. Lucid planning SUV production, what they're calling production of the Gravity, which will be an electric SUV. That will begin in 2023 as they continue to expand their plant out in Arizona. Speaking of the plant, let's bring in Peter Rawlinson, CEO of Lucid, who joins us from the facility. A big week for you, Peter. Thank you for joining us today. I'm curious from your perspective, as you hit this milestone and as you map out what's next for Lucid, how confident are you that you'll be able to continue to grow the reservations on the Air and then start to get that order book going on the Gravity?
Extremely confident because we've accrued over 13,000 reservations to date. And it's only today that key customers and reservation holders have had the first opportunity to actually drive these cars, and they love them. These reservations will explode when people realize just how awesome this car is.
Peter, how often, or how quickly, I should say, will you be able to ramp up your production of the Lucid Air? In other words, a year from now, what do you expect your monthly production rate to be?
Well, next year we're on schedule for producing 20,000 units, and we want to expand that to 50,000 in 2023. But right now, our emphasis is upon quality, delivering an awesome car, a car that our customers will really love, and delivering a luxury customer experience. So that takes precedence upon rushing the ramp up of production in the immediate future. But clearly next year we're going to ramp things up on an S-curve of production.
So Lucid will be making some deliveries, like I stated, at the end of October. I didn't think it was going to be this month. And he's quite bullish on his deliveries, the CEO of Lucid. I have Lucid. I'm long on Lucid. I don't think that this should be something that should be played short, but long. I know some of you guys have asked, Larry, what about Neo? I like Neo as a company, and as you guys, a lot of you guys know, I got out of it because of the Chinese government. And I will tell you that if you're looking to get back into Neo, which I would actually like to have a small stake in Neo. But what I did was, this sounds more promising, right? So what I did was I made a lot of money on Neo, but I sold and put a lot of my profits into Lucid long term. Now, I will probably get back into Neo, and for me to even start looking at Neo again, it has to be under $33. And that's what it'll be attractive at that point. Remember, it's all about managing and leveraging risk. And then I have to see that the Chinese government is taking a break from all of these crackdowns, right? That's who I don't like with Neo, the Chinese government, not the company. I actually like the company Neo, all right? So I just want to be just straightforward with you guys like I always have been, all right? I have very little money in the bank. Most of my money are in my brokerage accounts, right? Because my money has to make money. And so why not be earning 7 to 8.25% on your money while it's just sitting there, all right? That's BlockFi. The link is below. Click it and download $100. Buy some stable coin if you don't know what coin to buy, and start making money on your money. All right, good people? I'm going to leave it right there. All right. Hey, we're going to get through this, and we just want to know the facts. We don't want just pump and dump. You know, everybody is going to be saying, I saw it coming. And I saw it coming, but I had to be responsible to you guys and let you guys know early, all right? But hey, we're still going to make money through this. This is a buying opportunity for those of us that's cashed up. Remember, we are not surprised. We are prepared. All right, good people? Live, love, laugh, and learn. Check out all the links below. Peace.